Viewers, today we are going to talk about why a diversified portfolio is always the best portfolio. For this, we are going to look at the 3-year chart from January 2022 to December 2024. I've taken Nifty 50, Nifty 500, gold, debt, silver, and a diversified portfolio. So here diversified portfolio means we have considered 40% equity, Nifty 500 plus 30% gold plus 20% debt and 10% of silver. All the returns are index 200 at the start. And if you look at the chart, the chart tells you a story. 2022, who was the winner? If you look at it, gold. So in 2023, equities crushed the market, right? Nifty 500 crushed the market. And if you look at 2024, again, the gold roared by a massive percentage. So as you can see that no single asset class won in all the 3 years. But if you look at the diversified portfolio that's shown by the dark orange color, it never went up too much. It never went down too much. It was hugging right in between, in the middle of all this chaos of different asset classes performing at the different point in time. If you look at it, diversification is not about maximizing the return. It's about minimizing the chance of a mistake, a catastrophic mistake that at the worst possible time. Maybe you got laid off, maybe there is a medical emergency. Diversification lets you pass all the noises and the chaos in the market across different asset classes. A diversified portfolio win every single year because it was diversified. Whichever asset class was winning in that particular year, it captured the returns of that asset class. You don't need to win every time. You just need to have a diversified portfolio so that you are not panicked when the equity falls or when you don't get FOMO, fear of missing out, when the gold rallies. You capture the rallies of all the asset classes in your diversified portfolio. Thank you, viewers.